we are sending a very strong message. We are sending a very strong message here that this funding must stop, military aid must stop, and all sorts of support to Dictator Museveni must stop. Ugandans are tired.
Okwekalakaasa mu ggwanga erya UK. Bannayuganda abawangalira mu UK babizzeemu neera. Bazzeemu okweyiwa ku nguudo z'e UK nga beekalakaasa. Nga balangira abazungu abo okukolagana ne mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni atugumbudde bannayuganda emyaka kati 40 naye nga tagambwako. Beebuuza nti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni gwe weeyita ki atugumbula abantu engeri eyo? Olinga gwe atali muzadde atalina baana. Lwaki otugumbula abaana b'abantu okutuuka ku ekyo? Kibaluma kubanga ne bw'obeera ggwe ng'olaba nti banno abasigala ewaka bafa. Naye nga baffe ewatali nsonga bafiira obwemage. Abantu bano ekibayita ku street si kulowooza nti balina byakukola. Wabula balekawo emirimu gyabwe basajja battu ne bakazi battu bajje balwanireko bannayuganda bannaabwe abasigala ewaka. Okwekalakaasa kwa bano kiraga nti nabo gye bali tebali mirembe. Tebagenda nti bagenze kunoonya nsimbi kubeera nti yo waliyo ssente nnyingi okusinga e Uganda. Bakkiriza bulungi nti ne mu ggwanga Uganda ensimbi mweziri era osobola okuzikoleramu n'oziweza. Naye kikwewuunyisa nti bo baava mu Uganda olw'embeera y'ebyobufuzi embi eri ewaka ne basalawo bagende ku mawanga. Si lwakuba nti bagenda kunyumirwamu, wabula bagenda okutaasa obulamu kubanga bangi badduka lwa byabufuzi nga babayigga. Wabula ate balaba nga n'abantu abasigala ewaka babatigomya. Beebuuza nti kati omuntu ali ewaka nga talinamu nsimbi z'olamufulumya ggwanga Uganda kugenda kuyiyiza mu nsi ndala. Agenda kubeerawo atya mu Uganda ey'okuyiwa omusaayi olutatadde? Abantu bano ensonga lwaki bakeera ne beeyiwa ku street z'ebibuga mwe babeera bali kubanga tekiri Bungereza yokka, wabula buli ggwanga eririmu bannayuganda kasita baba nga balina omukisa okukkiriza okuyisaawo ensonga zaabwe ezibaluma. Tubalaba enkya n'eggulo nga babeera ku street nga beekalakaasa. Naye mwami Museveni n'ateekubwamu mu kifuba nti bannange lwaki mpitiridde okutta bannayuganda b'enkulembera? Lwaki sikendeezaamu ku ngeri abantu gye bandabisizzaamu nswadde mu mawanga gonna gye mbadde nzigyamu obuyambi? Naye mwana wattu ekyensonyi nti ate abazungu abo bamuwa ssente bwe balaba ebintu nga bino kikwewuunyisa nti bo basigala bamufandinga era ensimbi bamuweereza. Bungereza ensimbi z'ewa mwami Museveni ekimanyi bulungi nti zikola ebyo ebinyigiriza bannayuganda, naye tevangayo okukola wadde ekiwandiiko ekirabula nti tugenda kuggyawo ensimbi ze tukuwa lwa nsonga ABC. Twebaza eggwanga lya Amerika nti tewakiri lyawulira ensonga ya bannayuganda naye litandika okusala obuyambi bwe lwa mwami Museveni. Naye kati bannayuganda bali mu ggwanga erya UK beebuuza nti lwaki mmwe musigala mudiiringa ne Nakyemalira? Muwagira ekitta bantu ekigenda mu maaso mu Uganda? Abalaba ebintu nga bino nga bannayuganda beekalakaasa bangi bavayo ne bagamba tebirina kye bigasa kubanga tebavangayo kugamba ku mwami Museveni. Naye ate bawulira ekikulu nti kasita baba nga bawulira. UK nayo tugyebazaamu ak'ensusso nti gye bufuddekera bannayuganda bagenda ku street ezo nga beekalakaasa nga bagamba nti Bobi Wine alina okukkirizibwa okwetayiza mu ggwanga erya UK kubanga abazungu nammwe mwetayiza e Uganda tetubakuba ku mukono. Museveni ye bw'ajja wano e Bungereza lwaki ye mumukkiriza? Kyagulanyi n'abanga ye talina ddembe lye si munnayuganda. Yazza musango ki ogwo okugobebwa e UK era omulanga guno baaguwulidde ne baguteeka mu nkola. Baani ya Kyagulanyi Ssentamu gye bali bamuteekako emyaka 10 nga tagenda UK baagisazizzaamu era bawulirira bino nga Kyagulanyi wayagalira wonna asobola okulangira nagenda e UK nga tewali buzibu bwonna kubanga abasajja bawulidde omulanga gwa bannayuganda. N'ensonga nga zino tusaba baziteeke mu nkola, bazifumiitirizeeko, baziwulirize, bategere nti ddala bannayuganda balina obulumi bwabwe. Kitegeeza Museveni tetugenda kuddamu kuwa buyambi bwonna bwonna lwa nsonga yakuba nti ssente zetukuwa ozikozesa ate kutta bannayuganda b'okulembera. Kijja kubeera kya ssanyu nnyo nga bannayuganda okutoba kwabwe bakuggyemu ekiramu okusinga yuko okwefuula kyesirikidde neraba ensonga nga zino netaziteeka mu nkola. Bwe batyo bannayuganda bo bagamba tebagenda kukoowa, bagenda kukeera nga bateekeyo ensonga zaabwe. Mwefuula abatazirabye naye bo ng'ekikulu bazibalaze bazitadde ku mmeeza. Kati kinaaba erimu okuswala ne mugenda maaso n'omuwa ensimbi nga tebabalaze obukyamu bw'ensimbi bwazikozesa, oba okwekuba mu kifuba ne mutegeera nti abannayuganda banyigirizibwa ensimbi ze tuwa Museveni katulekeraawo. Kuba bannayuganda bo kye kintu kyokka kye baagala. Tebabagambye nti mugende mubayambe muggyeko Museveni, wabula kye baagala kimu, mulekerawo mufandinga, mulekerawo okuteeka ensimbi mu ggwanga erya Uganda kubanga zikozesebwa bubi.
Our power, people power, people power, our power, people power. We are Ugandan community standing outside of the Ugandan High Commission. And the reason why we came out in this bad weather, today is the 18th of November, 2023. But we go back 2020 on the same day, the 18th of November 2020. More than 200 Ugandans were murdered on the streets of Uganda by the brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda, a dictator who has been in power for more than 37 years, coming 40 years. We are calling on the international community to stand with the people of Uganda in bringing justice to Uganda and in bringing justice to our fellow comrades, our fellow brothers and sisters who were murdered on the 18th of November 20. We want justice, we want accountability from the brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda. Up to now, the families of those 200 comrades who were murdered on the 18th of November 2020 have got no justice. We are here for their justice. We are asking accountability. Let them be brought to justice. But we know very well that the brutal dictator Museveni ordered their killings, ordered all those comrades to be murdered on that day. We are calling on the UK government to stop sponsoring and supporting the brutal dictator Museveni. We are calling on the UK government to stop funding the militias from Uganda. We are calling on the UK government to stop the training.
Elisa Jerry attending NBC Denze Bona.
They are murdering Ugandans. They are raping women. They are killing children. They are torturing Ugandans. They are kidnapping Ugandans. People power. Our power. Our power. People power.
Hello. We are Ugandans living in the UK. People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Munga Uganda.
Munga.
Munga Uganda.
Munga.
One people.
One you.
One Uganda.
One people.
We are not enjoying this Sunday day. I mean the bad day. This coffin you see here represents the 200 people killed on this day, 18th November, by the junta in Uganda, Museveni. Museveni has killed so many people, but out of so many massacres, we pick the 18th November when he killed over 200 people. Facts speak for themselves. Go to BBCI. You will see the documentary for 30 minutes. The police, the army, the paramilitary of Museveni, the dictator of Uganda, equivalent to Putin, killed over 200 people. So, why are we here as a Ugandan community? We are here to showcase the evil of Museveni. If you don't know, Uganda is a country in the middle of Africa. It lies at the equator, where we have had the same president or junta for 40 years. And this same man is powered, financed by UK. The taxpayers' money in UK should not go to the junta in Uganda. He never uses that money right. He has used that money to massacre Ugandans. So, why are we here? We are here to commemorate the 1,200 people who were massacred by the junta and those who have gone before that. Many people are lying in dungeons, are lying in in prison cells which are not. This is a country which has more prisons than hospitals. This is the same country which has no institutions, and the money keeps flowing from UK to go and sponsor terrorists on us. People power,
Our power.
our power,
People power.
Kunga Uganda,
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda,
Kunga.
one people,
One
people.
country.
Now, for those who have missed, this coffin here, it represents Museveni, the dictator of Uganda, who has killed so many people. But on the 18th November 2020, he killed Ugandans on the street, 200 perished. And we are asking you, we are not asking for money, because everybody here is a working class, whether I'm a kitchen porter, I work in a hospital as a porter. But we want you to finance him. We will take on the dictator. He is worse than Putin. If you thought Putin was bad, Museveni is bad. 40 years of torture. Listen, please. This is a country which barely has functioning institutions, but it has a functioning army. New boots, new uniforms, new trunks. This is an institution with 600 civil servants who barely get £5 a month. And you call that an institution? Now, we are asking UK, US, stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator of Uganda. We've had enough. We are the opposition. We are not asking you money. Stop financing him. We will take him on. And that is Museveni of Uganda.
Yes.
This country and the United States have changed leadership more than 10 times. We still have the same face. In the name of him, his wife is the senior minister, his son is the commander of the army, and his brother controls security. And this is what we have. But still, UK, you go on to sponsor terror on the streets of the capital city, Kampala. We ask you, stop funding the dictator, and we will take him on.
Yes.
We can take him on. We
Yes.
can. Stop giving him the money. The money he uses to buy the military equipment that kills us.
Yes.
UK, listen to us. Stop the grants, stop the aid, stop the finances. And you train the army that
Yes.
kills us.
Yes.
This is the most painful thing.
Yes.
When you don't know how much agony
Yes.
made it to the Ugandans
Yes.
in the last 40 years. Stop financing terror. He is capital by saying Uganda is a terrorist state. That's so fast. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda.
Kunga.
One people.
One Uganda.
One Uganda.
One people.
Thank you.
People power. Our power.
On this Thursday, 18th of November 2023, we are here in commemoration to our comrades who were murdered. Over 200 Ugandans were murdered in Uganda by the brutal dictator Museveni of Uganda. A brutal dictator who has been in power for almost 40 years. Listen to this. St. Thomas Hospital is just around the corner. They've got over more than 50 ambulances. In Uganda, a country of 45 million Ugandans, we are being serviced by 20 ambulances, and they are all old. But where your taxpayers' money, my money which I pay in taxes, goes to Uganda. When that money goes to Uganda, is recycled back to the UK through Lord Puppet in the House of Lords, and they are buying mansions in Kensington. They are buying mansions in Chelsea. This is your money and my money. So we are calling on you to wake up. UK, you should listen that no money should be sent to Uganda. That money is being used in the construction of freedom while we don't have one.
million people. We have no schools in Uganda, but the brutal dictator, he has built torture chambers where women and men are being raped, where Ugandans are being murdered, and this is with the help of the UK. Why? Because they are financing the brutal dictator. In the UK, we stand over 11 prime ministers. In Uganda, we still live under the same brutal dictator Museveni for 40 years. That cannot be democracy. You cannot tell us about democracy. Why? You are supporting the brutal dictator in Uganda. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
We are calling on the UK to stop the training of the military militia from Uganda. When they go back to Uganda, they are raping us. They are murdering Ugandans. They are kidnapping Ugandans. They are torturing Ugandans. And that's the reason why we are here. 200 Ugandans were murdered on the 18th of November 2020. But there is no accountability. No one has ever been arrested. No one has ever been before a judge. And we are here still asking who killed them. But we know it's Museveni, the youth of Uganda. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power. Our power.
I'm here to say, don't because I'm pleased. All our brothers and sisters died on this day. And it's a sad story. Now I'm only ashamed
Thank you for
that
coming.
the country where I am has previously condemned me. And I know they never sent a penny to support me. Now, I mean, these rich people like this, but they feel so compassionate. By this man who is funded by the British and American government is doing this one. Why am I ashamed? The British corporation, Rural Energy, is part of the routine in Uganda. They have displaced people in Europe looking for oil. They have displaced people all the way to Tanzania. This is not pleasing to anyone. They are making money over our brothers' death, our sisters' death, our mom's death, our daddy's death. And the government is bringing here. I'm here to inform you, the son of the president who tortured Okwekalakaasa was trained in Sandhurst. This is a military establishment here in Britain, training people who are causing mayhem in this country. They are causing mayhem in Uganda. We are saying enough is enough. People power. People power. Our power. I'm here to inform everyone, and Uganda is in particular. If I'm faced with this brutal dictator, what do I do? To me personally, I would say, and I will encourage everyone to stop buying anything made foreign in Uganda.